life and drink it from a fountain. It's pouring like an avalanche coming down the mountain.
Alright. It's looking like another day in paradise. I'm out here, it's Sunday, looking for garage and yard sales. I'm back at it yet again, my friends. So, with that being said, if you're into this sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and let's enjoy the show. Aw, yeah. Let's get it. Supposedly there's a yard sale on the street, but I have a feeling that they're not having it today. But the sign was out there, so I do have a little bit of hope, but I highly doubt it. Moment of truth, right around this bend, and yeah, just what I figured. No yard sale. So, people out there that are doing yard sales, people, when you're done with your yard sales, do me a big fucking favor. Take down your signs. Alright? Please. Alright, sale right here. But it says Coca-Cola sale on it. Hopefully it's not all Coca-Cola that they're selling. Figured I'd give it a shot anyways. Let's see if I can turn around over here. Down the road there. And look at this. Look on the right. There's the for sale sign. I mean the garage sale. And no one's out there. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. People, you're killing me. Seriously. This is unacceptable. Watch this. Right? It's 9 o'clock. Okay? Garage is closed, but you got a fucking sign out here. Anyways, on to the next one. Yeah, that shit just ticks me off. But at least I'm enjoying the weather. Alright, just stopped at a few yard sales prior to this scene that I'm shooting. Ended up grabbing a few things. Some Ray-Bans with original case. A couple of folding knives. And I believe a flute from Germany. So I'll show you those later on in the video. So on to the next one I go. Alright, hitting another one. I think the yard sale is up there to the right where those balloons are. That's a party. Right there. Yeah, it's the yard sale. You can see. Wish me luck. Alright, not the greatest items over there, but there was a few little treasures here and there. I left it behind. I left it for the good people behind me. It is now noontime, and guess what? I'm done for the day. I'm out of here. I'm heading back to the office. Go eat something. And then I'll share with you guys and gals what I ended up finding. Alright, just came back. Not a bad day for a Sunday. So I'll share what I ended up grabbing. Remember, keep in mind, anything you see is up for grabs. If anyone's interested, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time, full throttle. Let's do this. First one's first. Smartwatch. Just a basic cheapie. Brand new, however. Black. Pretty cool. Fine. This one's nice. Yamaha. Flute. Made in Japan. Has some wear and tear. Been used, for sure. See, I forgot where that marking is. It says Japan right there. But yeah, right there. Pretty cool little find. Works perfectly. This was a nice find. I thought it was just gonna be fake, but I saw the case. I said, let me open it up. Then I saw that symbol there in the corner, and then I looked back here and I saw that. Then I took a gamble, but then when I got home, I looked further into it, and it does say Italy made on there. Also Ray-Ban as well. Made in Italy. That's what it says. But anyways, cool little find. You don't find that too often. This one I just picked up because I felt bad for the guy. It's a little dirty, the box, but that's the company. Seems pretty cool because it was made in England. So anything in England I like. It reminds me of Greece type of artwork, kind of. So that's that. Next one, pick this up so you can size up your rings, so you can know what size it is basically. Two little knives here. Same guy that sold me the Ray-Bans. An old timer. Pretty beat up blade. Not beat up, it's just rusty. That one needs some work. Polish it up, blah blah blah, good as new. This one, I like this one. This one's a Sabre, Ireland. Pretty good shape for the age. Buff it out, clean it up, she'll come out nice. Brand new ear, what do you call it? Not earbuds, but you know, headphones basically. In the package. That was a pretty cool find right here. American DJ, discontinued model. All kinds of features on this one. Anytime I see DJ equipment, as you've seen in the past videos, I grab it right away. And then a few freebies on here on the floor. Some desktop speakers, USB plug-in for your computer, laptop, or whatever it may be. Always grab speaker wire like this. This is good grade, great for highs, for automobile. I use that for. Usually I don't grab electronics, but this one was new. Still with tag. It was new. Freebie. And then a whole bunch of pens. Sometimes I grab pens because sometimes you never know. You might see one in here that's 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 80 bucks. But if not, what I do is I mess around with pens, modify them, cut them shorter, put one internal to the other. Who knows? I didn't see anything that great in here, but I haven't searched one by one yet to see, to confirm. I highly doubt there's a winner in here, but there's a few that's pretty cool and they'll look nice if I modify, like this one. But anyways, that's that. That's what I ended up grabbing for today, Sunday. Nice little quick haul video. Appreciate you guys and gals coming in, checking out this quick video. Let me know what your favorite item was. I think mine is gotta be that. Second, probably that. And third, probably that. Anyways, thanks again. See you on the next adventure. Oh yeah.